It's dead.
Go,
Let's go.
It's on fire.
Please. Stop. There we go.
Oh.
It lives again. The fan started up again.
Well, if you get a reboot and sees a feature.
Watch out now, because...
Damn you, Hesiod, you bastard.
Hopefully this is getting on video.
Here, hold on. Eyes.
Oh.
Stand back. Eyes.
Oh, nice.
Again. The fans start up when there's liquid.
Yeah, that's because it's cooling. You know, it's too hot.
Oh. Well, I want to get this on video that I can see.
That's breathing.
One sec.
Get in.
No.
I'm gonna wait until... Okay. 8.
No.
6.
No, don't wait again, Liam. Wait again.
Oh, the flames run out. Arc.
Eyes.
Flip.
Wait.
There we go. That sounded drastic. It's going into the fans now.
No, Liam. How much is left?
Just cap at a time.
Just cap at a time. Or. Oh, blinking lights.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh, wow!
Quick, get it in. Back. Get it out the back. Watch the flames to the back now. This is going to be cool.
It's still going, right? Go!
Eyes.
Oh, the camera doesn't get that throw.
That's brilliant. That's death, bro.
Yeah, when he gets in the fucking flames.
Whoa!
So, what do you do to get some of the front of the fan?
Oh, there's fans in the front, isn't there?
Yeah, everything red is a fan. No, try to right.
Oh, where's the temperature monitor?
Where am I arcing?
Here.
Alright, go.
Oh no, to my car, it's my way.
Eyes.
Go.
You can't arc plastics, bro. Oh.
There's no smoke coming out of it.
Something's still going.
It's not dead.
Plug it into the screen and see what's happening.
Temperature warning.
Whoa! I only caught the end of that one, but it looked impressive.
It was pulling sparks through.
And go!
I'm gonna wait until it goes again.
Okay, what? Can you jump? Is there any way of getting fuel on this side? Just sitting a little bit in there, and then just
Well, there's fans.
pulling
Get the
sparks
fans.
through it.
I am taking that CPU to work with me.
You get working again?
Send it to HP. Look, something happened to my server.
Right.
Oh yeah, across the PC. Come on, go. I'm waiting for the fans to start up. You might be waiting a while.
Where's the temperature sensor? Wave the fucker at it.
No, it's
Okay, our architecture.
go.
Okay, let me come in there.
On fire.
That's a hot CPU.
Overclocking.
Now, the other thing, watch out for those caps, they might go pop.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is where the safety comes
That's
in.
the dangerous part of this.
Here, Liam, turn it off. And
Turn what off?
or somebody unplug it there and
No, we can start again.
yeah, somebody turn off. Start. Press the on button.
Oh, yeah.
Is there lights on the front? Hey! He lives again.
Throw more on.
Right. Go. Right. Oh, that's impressive.
It's not beeping anymore.
I wonder why.
I think it's burnt the speaker.
Probably, yeah. Actually.
Right, we still have a CD drive to kill.
Where's the CD?
Oh, where's the CD?
Yeah, check the CD.
Oh, hard drive.
Put a CD in. Put a CD in.
It's an eject.
Of course it is, Jack.
Fuck off.
Have we got a pin?
I'm looking at a knife.
No, Liam.
I don't know how hard this.
Hang on a second, before you do anything, we have to set up the TV guys.
Can we plug a hard disk in and see if it spins? Oh, what the hell are you doing? Will it open now?
Who knows? Who cares?
Oh, it's still flashing! It's on fire! I'm gonna burn through it with the electrodes. Watch your eyes. Go.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Damn. That was rocket to the body.
I wonder what the GoPro's taking.
Keep going. That was the That's what looks the
That's still spinning.
Is it?
It's spinning inside there. That's why it's still going.
Laser.
Watch the cast does. Oh!
Whoa, whoa, so fast now. Yay! Some of them with orange
Hang on,
lights.
if it's going faster, you just have to go back.
I think so fast it's broken.
This one's going.
Yeah.
Oh, no, keep them.
Yay!
Oh, that's
Oh.
really deadly. That might have it. That just
it.
might have killed it.
The
Lights?
are still flashing.
Here, 1 sec, let me get the front.
Okay, do the power. Why do we kill the
This-
fans? Do you got any more fans put into it?
They were making
Not
noise.
for that model.
No, it's okay, the noise isn't the problem, is it?
No, that's what was annoying me.
Is
I
there
just
any-
wanted to shut up.
Okay. The problem with the fans?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, was the rest of it.
Right. Whoa.
Get it all over. Yeah. Alright, stand back.
Boil there.
Go.
There's a little bit up on there.
That's gone. That's done for. I don't think that computer can be used anymore.
We did all we could for it, but we couldn't bring it back.